All right, guys. December. This is December with GbpUsd effects. The month is very good. Trending and being followed. The market is going in according to higher time frame institutions order flow. My friend, this is GbpUsd, one of the very simplest pair to take a long trade. Of course, this price has just hit my first TP. I have still some other position which I be holding up to this further liquidity here above with about 321 pips, but I just take a partial close and closing some of the position with respect to the structure, right? So this trade has just moved with 280 pips, as you see from my Instagram page here, GbpUsd. I have already posted it. GbpUsd, this is before and after. The price has moved with 200 p for a course of 9 consecutive days, with fixed trading days in 2 weekends, but which gives a total of 80 holding days. I have been analyzing this pair with my students in our WhatsApp group. And once they sent their chart, I did analysis through my mobile phone. And this was on the 17th December. 17th December. It was on Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was Sunday. Yes. So this is when I did this analysis, and I was just saying like, okay, let us wait. Let us wait and see when the price come to retest at this daily time frame, which is also weekly time frame, is in Arizona. We have had a daily time frame COC liquidity. Of course, we've had a fake 4 hours liquidity, which tricked people to entry to early entries. And if they were not stable, well, I think probably most of them would have been stopped out. But for us who were able to patiently wait for the setup to be aligned, now we have got a very nice sniper entry. Like, let us look from the day time frame. This is what I'm talking about. I did this analysis on Sunday. This was last Friday's candle where the market closed at this position. This was a Thursday and this is a Friday. So market closed at this position. I was not interested with these sales because I knew for sure this sales was just a matter of a retracement, just a retracement. My price came here on Thursday and decided to buy just because of this early entry, which was formed at 4 hours structure. This 4 hours structure, which was out of higher time frame scenario zone. Of course, price was selling. It bought for at least 100 pips, But again, price came back to sell up to take these liquidities which were just left downward at the daily time frame and weekly time frame scenario zone. But this trade was simple. I've been talking about GU for several times that now we are in the major structure bearish but minor structure bullish retracement, right? So I don't have necessarily to go to the monthly time frame, weekly time frame. You just review my past videos. You just see it, right? So I remember I sent a video of GbpUsd, which I took a sales trade of this particular week as a matter of retracement after the price had broken this weekly time frame scenario zone. And the first target, after we took the first buy trade here down at 4 hours in between the two structures, there's the video of this pair also, was here at a weekly time frame LQE liquidity. However, so far I'm still looking to go up to this monthly COC liquidity, which was once tested, but I'm looking for other pattern to be formed aligned because I see I have an opportunity of about 300 pips around this area. But let us not talk about that. Let's just focus on what's happening now. Like, we know everything for sure, this market is bullish. Even you look at the weekly time frame, there's a bullish structure. So it was just a matter of waiting after we have had this last bullish structure, higher high, higher low, higher high. We needed to get a lower high and then continue to go bullish. Like now, the price was literally here on that Friday. It was a very simple trade. It requires very little things to look upon. So I just placed my limit order around this area with my stop loss of about 26 pips because this was an impulsive candle. and I was very much confident with this weekly and daily time frame as scenario zone, right? So what is needed for the structures like this is a matter of patience. When you are patient to wait for things to be aligned, to take your trade and they reach your trajectory take profit. Because if you are not patient enough to wait, perhaps you can be tricked to get into early entry. Like I said, here in the 4 hours time frame, we have had this outside formation which tricked people, and of course, the price was buying. So some of the people will just say, okay, now price is buying, it's just left me and blah 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 blah. But mind you, always stick to the principle and know where the price is really going, because that's what's going to give you the nice structure and the nice entries, right? So this is good for today, although we are still having those positions being held to wait to reach at that point. But I'll be looking for some structure to happen, especially the daily candlestick will give me good information as to confirm we are going bullish and we have prices been able to break this weekly LQE liquidity, right? So thank you for watching and listening, and I'll catch you up later, maybe next year. I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, folks. See you. This is Gatos FX.